Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to develop a RainSafe Clothes Guard using Magic Board. For this experiment, we will require a Magic Board with Type-C USB cable, a Raindrop Sensor, a Servo Motor, and some jumper wires. So, let's start building. Step 1. Take your servo motor and set it up by connecting its wires to the pins located on the Magic Board. Connect red wire to 5V, brown wire to ground, and yellow to signal pin IO3. Step 2. Take your raindrop sensor and set it up to measure the intensity of rain by connecting its pins to the pins located on the Magic Board. Connect VCC pin to 5V, GND pin to ground, analog output pin to signal pin IO2. Step 3. Use the Type-C USB cable to connect the Magic Board to the computer to upload the program. This is the program code we are going to upload in the Magic Board. This program will allow our Magic Board to sense the water droplets falling on the raindrop sensor and starts the servo motor. This way the model will look like RainSafe Clothes Guard. You can download the program code from the website shown here or from the description. Once the code is ready, upload the code to the Magic Board to see the real magic.